Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear respected brothers and sisters, welcome back to the Bayat al-Ghadiyya channel for our new series, Distortion Within Sunni Books. As part of the propaganda campaign, the so-called Ahlus Sunnah scholars do is make every effort to stress to their followers and naive Muslims that the Shia disrespect the campaigns of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In this episode, we will reveal the colorful narration about the Sahaba from the pens of their scribes, using only authentic narrations. However, once again, Bukhari dropped the name of the companion who sold alcohol. The incident from Musnad al-Humaydi, page 154, hadith number 13, narrated from Sufyan, from Amr ibn Dinar, from Tawus, from Ibn Abbas, who said, once Umar was informed that Samra sold alcohol. Umar said, "May Allah kill Samra. Doesn't he know that Allah's messenger said, may Allah curse the Jews, for Allah had forbidden them to eat the fat of an animal, but they melted it and sold it?" Now let's compare the same version of this hadith with the version in Sahih Bukhari. Volume 3, page 236, hadith number 2223. Narrated al-Humaydi, from Sufyan, from Amr ibn Dinar, from Tawus, from Ibn Abbas. Once Umar was informed that a certain man sold alcohol. Umar said, "May Allah curse him. Doesn't he know that Allah's apostle said, may Allah curse the Jews, for Allah had forbidden them to eat the fat of animals, but they melted it and sold it." There you go again, brothers and sisters. Bukhari has swapped the name of Samra with the phrase Fulan Fulan, or a certain man. Ala la'natullahi ala al-kadhibin. Brothers and sisters, I have a few questions to ask you. Number one, if all the Sahaba were the best of generation, what were they doing selling alcohol? Number two, if it is kufr to curse the Sahaba, why did Umar do it? Number three, if it is kufr to curse a Sahaba, what is the verdict on Umar? Number four, can we accept cursing these companions from amongst the permitted acts if they innovated? And number five, and last but not least, why has Bukhari dropped the name of the companion despite having an identical chain? وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى أهل بيته الطيبين الطاهرين ولعنة الله على أعدائهم من الأولين والآخرين إلى قيام يوم الدين. Please, respected brothers and sisters, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and we will be updated with our new series of Distortion Within Sunni Books.